Okay. Now press the heart to the left lung over to the right. The lung is attached by a narrow region, the radix or root. So pag ginanon nyo, yung lungs. So you can see
LRT guys.
radix, ito yung lungs, tapos kung saan mismo ina-attach siya sa dorsal body wall, yan yung radix. So yan, radix yan. Radix or root of the lung. It contains an artery, a vein, and bronchus. Okay, so kita nyo merong blood vessel, merong itim sa loob. Yan. Yan, may blood vessel. Yan ang radix or root of the lung. Sa kabilang side, meron din. Again, containing an artery, a vein, and a bronchus. In the cat, the lung is also attached to along most of its length to the dorsal thoracic wall by the pulmonary ligament. So makikita nyo na ito yung radix, tapos meron ditong suspensory ligament na nag-a-attach sa lung sa dorsal body wall. So this is the pulmonary ligament, itong makapal na to. Pulmonary ligament, because organs are kept into place in the spaces in the pleural and peritoneal cavities by the ventral and dorsal mesentery. But in the development of the organism, most of the ventral mesentery disintegrates or disappears. What persists would be the dorsal mesentery. So siya yung humahawak ng organs to attach the organs to the dorsal body wall. Now the lungs are attached or suspended to the dorsal body wall by this ligament, which we call the pulmonary ligament. A fold of the pleura. Note that dorsal to the root of the lung, the pleura continues onto the dorsal and lateral surfaces of the pleural cavity and contains structures. The most conspicuous of these is the dorsal aorta, a large vessel that arches away from the heart to the left and descends towards the diaphragm. So yung makikita natin dito sa region na to, aside from na-enclose nung pulmonary ligament, would be, so ito yung heart, this is the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, may nakakabit na malaking. Mamaya na muna ibang discussion, nawawala ako sa pagdidiscuss eh. So, ito yung left ventricle. Tapos, nakakabit sa kanya itong malaking artery na to, which is the dorsal aorta. So, ito yung pagkagaling sa left ventricle, nag-arc siya. Yan, arc of aorta. Pagbaba niya, yan ang thoracic aorta. Tapos, bababayan sa ilalim through the diaphragm. Pag nandun na siya sa peritoneum, yun na yung abdominal aorta. So, it's a very big blood vessel. And then, you will also see 1/2 inch ventral to the aorta is the esophagus. So, nakaibabaw daw dito is the esophagus. So, we can try to destroy some of the ligament, and this is the esophagus. So, pag hinilan nyo yan dito, hihilahin nyo to, di ba? So, may kita nyo you can destroy the muscles, but not the veins and arteries. So, may kita nyo na continuous siya dito. This is the esophagus. Okay. About 1/2, the phrenic nerves will also be seen in the central portion of the mediastinum. The diaphragm is a curved sheet forming the posterior wall of the thoracic cavity. So, ito yung medyo na-destroy kasi nakadikit talaga siya sa body wall. Ito yung diaphragm. It's a muscular structure. The center of the diaphragm consists of connective tissue forming a circular central tendon. So, tanggalin na natin to. So, yung nakikita nyong structure na yung shiny sa ibabaw ng diaphragm, yun yung central tendon. It encloses the dome-shaped region of the diaphragm. So that's what we call the central tendons. Okay, bakit ganon?
Murderers. Yung ating expose namin.
Yung ganda, dami tama.
Expose namin ng transpose. Daming tama, grabe.
Cellulite malagay sa cellulite.
So, interesting na ito.
Liver lover.
Kasi naka-roof yung ano yung diaphragm, kaya medyo madidestroy talaga siya.
It's okay. Oh, you don't have to do it. Yan, yung tinatanggal. Ano yung pong sinisira niyo yung diaphragm?
Oo, ito to, yung part siya. Oo, ito. Dapat meron siya dito Yan, yan, yung buong yan. Diaphragm yan.
Parang
Talagang nakapatong siya sa ibabaw ng liver.
parang nipis.
Manipis talaga siya.
Ganyan din po itsura sa tao, ma'am.
Medyo ganyan din.
Ayoko na namatay.
Galing.
Saan na tayo? Central tendon. The diaphragm is pierced at several points to allow important structures such as the esophagus to pass through. So, kung titingnan nyo yung likod ng diaphragm, pwede nyo pang gupitin dito. Hindi mahuhulog. So, dito kasi, makikita nyo yung esophagus. So, tatagos siya sa diaphragm. Para makarating sa ito yung esophagus na tumagos sa diaphragm. Ito yung stomach.
Hindi pa ba masisira lahat yung pag nahinata ko?
Alin? Okay.